Yo, what's up, good people? What's up, KZN? What's up, Durban? You are watching the Durban Online Podcast, DOP with Fly. Hey, Bafetu, this is the new podcast. Let's make it big. Please like, support, subscribe, and make sure you leave a comment in the comment section. Don't forget to like so that and this is a lama episode akayo akanje. Hey guys, the story for today is that Elon Musk claims racial bias block Starlink in lapha eSouth Africa. Khumbula ukuthi ngomhla ka 20 February yena Elon Musk criticized South Africa ngale ndaba ye BEE policy wathi ngoba idinga abantu ibe no 30% we black ownership uma ufuna ukuba ne license telecommunication. So Starlink ke was prevented ukuthi ingakwazi uku-apply because of that. Yena ufuna ukuthi kube uyena kuphela. So now uthi mase claim lapha yana u30 million dollars bezokwenza kube ama investment ukuthi a deliver free high speed internet kubantu aba more than 5,000 kuma rural schools and reaching out to 2.4 wabantu aba students aba million via solar powered system. Ukushuthi ke ngebhadi ke uSoli Malathi communications minister wathi ikhasa ayikwazi ukuvuma leyo nto because Starlink is operating ngomuntu oyedwa. Ukhumbule ukuthi lo mjita once went and uhlala eAmerica wasiqhatha noTrump ukuthi abantu abamnyama babulala amabhono ngendlela esimanga. It's genocide, which is a pure lie. Ngoba efuna ukuthi uTrump akwazi ukuthi uma efaka lento yakho ye-Starlink sisabe thina shuthi was an intimidation stress ukuthi ene intimidate government wethu so that by the time efuna ukufaka lento le and then bese siyavuma. But ngebhadi ke ayizange sakwazi ukwenzeka ngoba wonke umuntu even na kwiparliament even nomthetho nje wayo iBEE awumvumeli. But into engithandile mfethu ukuthi abantu babhalile lapha ku Twitter because uTwitter futhi wakhe now sobizwa ngo-X wawuthenga and it's got a huge following. So uyazi noma yini into ayishoyo lapha yana izobamba yabo into ayishoyo lapha izokwenza ukuthi kube in his favor. But apparently abantu abanendaba no ex wakhe leyana. So one of the people abakhulumile lapha which is Tumiso Masha, I like what he said. Uthe simply not true. You have an agenda wena that is anti-South Africa to peddle lies about our country and we don't need your Starlink. Uyamchazela uthi awena une agenda wena ngento yokuthi awuyithandi kahle kahle South Africa kodwa wahamba wayaphesheya wafika wakhuluma amanga lapha yana ngathi ngoba ufuna ukuthi si accept the Starlink kahle kahle assisting the Starlink sakho. And another tweet said the farmers are no longer seeking asylum, but they want internet connectivity. What a turn of event, which is true because uma lapha Trump wafike washo ukuthi nabelungu babulawa abantu abamnyama ngegenocide bathatha izwe labo bathatha amafama abo baphelile. Trump wathatha belungu wabafaka eAmerica beyoba ama-refugee amanga and all the world bayakwazi ukuthi leyo it was not true. But right now usuyabuza usuthi wena usufuna ukufaka lento ufuna ukuyifaka. Now here's the thing, into emnandi ke ngalawo ukuthi even white people nabo bayayibona lengathi yalo bastard bathe Michael de Villiers uthi asidingi Starlink South Africa without following due process like any other business coming to invest in our country, like any other business that come and invest in our country. So it's not like it's only black people abangaboni nomqondo wakhe, but everybody. Now tell me on the comment section, what do you think about this whole situation? Do you really think ile mpahla lezo siza ukuthi sibe grand or maybe ukuthi nje yena abe grand kuphela? Ukhona umunye uthe we don't have a special law for billionaires of which is true guys. Sizomthini lo muntu lona. Wase to Elon Musk, if bengumuntu omnyama Starlink would have received the license and to operate years ago. Yabona namanje he's starting a big war. He's trying to divide us. He's trying to make sure America is taking over, thinking there is something big against white people, which is a lie. This guy ifethu akakwazi ifethu ukuthi angayi-operate lento ngendlela asenze ngayo, nami ngithi nje he must fuck off. Omunye uthe lapha ku-Twitter, the last one lo ubonayo lapha escreenini, wawukazi umuzwe u-Elon Musk ecomplaina ngokuthi i-Starlink abayifuni eChina, abayifuni eRussia, abayifuni eBelarus, abayifuni eSyria, abayifuni eAfghanistan nase-North Korea, but why efuna ukuthi ize la eSouth Africa kuphela, especially kuleli country kuthiwa kune-white genocide? Should we why we even consider that? So guys, hit a like button, smash that subscribe button, make sure you comment, and please follow at Durban Online Podcast, DOB with Fly.